Yeah, so yesterday I have explained you about the tool, right? So Jmeter, how to install, okay, how to run the Jmeter and how to install the Java, right? How to set the environment variable. So these things and all yesterday we have discussed, right? So the setup you need to complete in your missions and all. And coming to the next topic, so Jmeter tool and its features walkthrough. So actually this topic is not required. Okay, so the futures and all we no need to discuss and all. But whenever you are aware about the futures and all, so then you will come to know what and all futures are there in the Jmeter and all. So let us assume you are using mobile phone, right? So in the mobile phone, you should know how many features there in that particular mobile and how to use those features, right? So brightness penchukovali, where is that option? Okay, if you want to do some changes from the network end, so there will be some option network, right? So like that, many features will be there. You should know so where that feature is existing in your mobile. So like similarly, so Apache Jmeter that is one tool. So you should know what and all features is there in that particular Jmeter so that you can go and you can use that particular feature. So I am trying to explain how many features are there in the Jmeter and all. So where it is existing. So that also I will show you today. Let me launch the Jmeter. So we have three ways to launch the Jmeter. So one is you can go to the bin folder of the Jmeter. Okay, so this is the Jmeter, right? So you can use this one as well. So 5.4.3, this is the previous version of Jmeter, old version. Go to the bin folder. In the bin folder you can see Apache Jmeter.jar executable jar file. So you can double click on this file. So once you have been double clicked on that, so Jmeter it will open. That is the first method. So coming to the second method, open a one. Slowly it's opening. This is the first method, and second one is you can see jmeter.bat here. So Windows batch file. So if you double click on this as well, so Jmeter it will open. That is the second method. See, first command prompt it will open. So you need to minimize the command prompt. So then Jmeter it will invoke. Invoking is nothing but opening. Okay. So on third method, simply you can type Jmeter here. Okay. So simply you can type Jmeter. You can see here Jmeter run command. So this should appear. Okay, దీని మీద టైప్ క్లిక్ చేయకూడదు. So you need to click on this one, Jmeter run command. I have typed only Jmeter here, and you are able to see Jmeter run command here, right? So you can launch. Okay. So these are the three methods which we have to launch Jmeter. So Jmeter is launched here. Okay. So this is the Jmeter tool. So you can see on the left corner Apache Jmeter 5.4.3 is showing. So what is 5.4.3 here? That is the version number. Okay. So let us assume if you are using 5.5 Jmeter, then it will show like Apache Jmeter 5.5 over there. Let me show you. 5.4.3 and this is also 5.4.3. Yeah. Let me close 5.4.3. Yeah. So you can see on the left side top corner Apache Jmeter 5.5. So previously I have opened Apache Jmeter 5.4.3. So you can see the version name is appeared over there. So like that, by seeing this, the number, you can say that which version Jmeter you are using. So that is also can be displayed over here. Okay. So under that you can see file, edit, search, run, options, tools, help and all. So you should know each and everything. What is file? So how many options we have, how to use, what is edit, how many options we have, like that. So each and everything you should know here. Okay. So let me go with file. So let me go with file. Click on the file. You can see new template, open recent and all. So if I click on the new, so you can get the new workspace over here. Okay. So this is the workspace. Whatever white color background space you are seeing here. So that is called workspace. Okay. So then you work area లేదా workspace అంటాం. Okay. So if you wanna see the new workspace, if you wanna get the new workspace, so then go to file and click on the new. That's all. Okay. You can see the new workspace. Let me open the new and let me show you. See. See, I have opened one old script. So this is the old script. Okay. So you can see here too many things are present over there. I don't want to continue with this. I want to create a new script. A new test plan I want to create. I don't want to continue with the old script. Okay. I want to create a new script. So how you can do? Go to file and click on the new. That's all. So you can get the new workspace over here. Right. So whenever you are opening the Jmeter for the first time, you can get the new workspace only. Okay. So new workspace మనకు వస్తుంది. So let us assume you are working on the Jmeter right now, and so there is a script like this. Already script is present over here. So now you want new workspace. Then go to file and click on the new. That's all. So you can get the new workspace. Okay. So that is how you can use new. And next one, templates. So so too many templates can be designed by Jmeter people. So based on our requirement and all, so you can use the templates and all. Okay. Let me click on the templates. So let me click on the templates. Click on the templates. So you can see here, click on this drop down. You can see many templates we have. These are the templates. The templates అన్నీ ఏంటి అంటే predefined formats. See, predefined format అంటే ఏంటి అంటే మీరు స్కూల్కి వెళ్తారు, the slip they will give you whenever you have paid the money. So the people they'll issue one the pay slip, right? Slip అనేది ఇష్యూ చేస్తారు, దాని మీద వాళ్ళ స్కూల్ పేరు, రికగ్నిషన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వన్ ఫార్మేట్. ఐ కెన్ సే దట్ ఈస్ a template. So you can use the template for all the people. Like similarly, so Jmeter people, they have been designed some of the templates here. So those are all available here. So based on your requirement, you can use the templates. But I do not recommend you to use the templates and all. So leave it. So just try to remember, yeah, we have the templates. That's all. Okay. So we do not use this in the real time and all. Okay. So go to file and here you can click on the templates. So you can see many templates by clicking on this drop down. Okay. So this we do not use in the real time and all. Just try to remember this. That's all. Okay. And now you can see open. So why we need to use this open feature means, if you want to open any existing script, ఆల్రెడీ ఒక స్క్రిప్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసావు, నువ్వు ఆల్రెడీ ఒక టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసావు. ఓకే, యూ వాంట్ టు ఓపెన్ దట్ టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ నౌ. ఓకే, హౌ యూ కెన్ ఓపెన్? గో టు ఫైల్ అండ్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఓపెన్. యూ కెన్ సీ హియర్ a pop-up window is open. Now browse your test plan. Okay, browse your script where it is existing in your mission. మీ మిషన్లో ఎక్కడ ఉందో చూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Let us assume, so this is my script .jmx, assertion.jmx is my script. So click on open, that's all. Okay, so So you can see script is open here. Okay. Script ilaga open chesukochu already meeru prepare chesina script ni. Okay, so let me go to new. So I want to open the new script. Okay, I want to open the existing script which I have been prepared yesterday. So go to file and click on open, and you can see here, so browse. Okay, so browse cheyandi where your your file is existing and all. So let us assume this is my file api practice.jmx. Click on that one and click on open. That's all. So you can see the file is opened. Okay, so that jmx is open. So like that you can open the existing file. So using this option open. Okay, so now what is this open recent? See, whatever the file you have opened here in the Jmeter, so that file name will be populated here in the open recents. Open recent దగ్గర మీరు ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నారు 1 to 9 numbers, right? API practice, assertion, parameterization ఇవన్నీ. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఏదైనా Jmeter స్క్రిప్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే సో దాని నేమ్ ఇక్కడ పాపులేట్ అవుతుంది. అండర్ ఓపెన్ రీసెంట్ ద నేమ్ విల్ బి పాపులేటెడ్ లైక్ దిస్. సో లెట్ మీ ఓపెన్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద టైమర్స్. సో ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ద టైమర్స్ is 5 now, right? So position of the timer ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు మీరు serial number 5. Okay, so click on the timer to first position. See, ఇప్పుడు నేను టైమర్స్ అనే స్క్రిప్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేశాను. మీరు కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ టాప్ కార్నర్. సో ఈ ఆగస్ట్ బ్యాచ్ timers.jmx. ఓకే, సో timers.jmx అనేవి నేను ఒక స్క్రిప్ట్ని ఓపెన్ చేశాను. నా గో టు ఫైల్, go to open recent, you can see, so top most one you can see timers.jmx. So that is the latest file, so which I have been opened. So open recent is nothing but that is a shortcut. Okay, shortcut of the file which you have been opened previously. ఇంతకుముందు మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఓపెన్ చేసిన ఫైల్స్ ఉంటే so those file names and all will be populated here under the open recent. So ilaga populate అవుతుంది. Okay, so from here so you can access the scripts directly. In API practice.jmx అనే స్క్రిప్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. ఇది ఎక్కడ ఉంది అని వెతుక్కొని ఓపెన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆల్రెడీ ఓపెన్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇన్ ద Jmeter, so then directly you can go to open recent and you can see here API practice.jmx. It is there. You just click on that and that's all. So you can open API practice.jmx. You can see left side top corner API_practice.jmx. You can see here. So what it means? So we have opened API practice.jmx script. Okay, so like that. So like that you can see which file we have been opened earlier and all. You can see here those file names will be populated here in the open recent future. Okay, so next one, merge. In some scenario what we can do now, so we need to merge two files, two Jmeter scripts, we need to merge it out. So let us assume me and so I and somebody else, so we two are working on the same project. Okay, so నేను ఇంకొకటి ఇద్దరు కలిపి ఒకే ప్రాజెక్ట్లో వర్క్ చేయొచ్చు. So one guy is working on one module and some other guy is working on some other module. Let me tell you. So let us assume we are working on the Flipkart. So I am working on mobile module and my colleague is working on the fashion module. Okay, you can see too many modules here we have. So only two people, me and my colleague. So we two are working on this Flipkart and I am working on the mobiles module here and my colleague is working on the fashion module. So నేను మొబైల్కి ఒక స్క్రిప్ట్ చేస్తాను, ఫ్యాషన్కి వాడు ఇంకో స్క్రిప్ట్ చేస్తాడు. సో now what we need to do, so we need to merge those two scripts. Okay, so we need to merge those two scripts. How you can merge it? So go here and go and click on the merge. That's all. Okay, so choose your script. First open your script here. Let us assume so your script is timer script. Okay, so timers is your script. Okay, so I want to merge this timer script with some other script. So go and click on the merge, and now I am going to merge with API testing. Okay, so API testing.jmx. Click on open. That's all. So you can see one more thread group is appeared over here, and you can see here. Like this, what you can do, so you can merge two or more number of scripts. Okay, scripts ni manu merge cheyalannappudu you can go to file and you can click on the merge and you can merge the scripts and all. See, I am going to merge one more thing, config element.jmx. Click on open. You can see under the summary report nothing is there, right? So You can see some of the elements are populated here. You can see these and all of the elements are populated. Okay. So now I have merged two JMX. Okay. So alaga you can merge the scripts and all. And next one save. నేను ఇక్కడ మెర్జ్ చేశాను. ఐ వాంట్ టు సేవ్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ థింగ్, రైట్? ఐ వాంట్ టు సేవ్ దిస్ స్క్రిప్ట్. ఐ బికాస్ ఫస్ట్ ఒక స్క్రిప్ట్ ఉంది, దానికి ఒక నేమ్ ఉంది, తర్వాత ఇంకో స్క్రిప్ట్ యాడ్ చేశాను, సి I have added three scripts now, right? So I want to save this particular test plan or script. I want to save it. How I can save it? So here you can see save icon, right? Here you can see save icon. You can click on this and you can save it, or else go to file and click on save. Okay, here you can see save. So you can click on that. So that will be saved. Okay. So నాకు అలా సేవ్ చేయకూడదు, ఎందుకంటే you can see the name here timers.jmx. ఓకే, అది ఓల్డ్ నేమ్, ఓల్డ్ జేమీటర్ జేమీటర్ స్క్రిప్ట్ నేమ్. అది నేను ఆ నేమ్తో సేవ్ చేయకూడదు. ఐ వాంట్ టు సేవ్ విత్ సమ్ అదర్ నేమ్, వేరే నేమ్తో నేను సేవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో దెన్ గో టు ఫైల్ అండ్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ సేవ్ టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ యాజ్. ఓకే, సో క్లిక్ ఆన్ సేవ్ టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ యాజ్ అండ్ గివ్ నేమ్ హియర్ something like merged script. Okay, I have given merged script, merged underscore script. Going to save it in August batch, something it is showing here. Let me go back. Let me save it in October batch. Okay, so merged script.jmx, click on the save. That's all. You can see on the top corner the name has been changed to merged script. So now, so this particular script has been changed. Okay, has been changed and has been saved it as a merged script. Okay, if you want you can go and click on the new, so nothing script is there. Go to file and go to open recent. Here you can see merge script. Click on the merge script, so you can get the merge script here. See, so this is how you can save and you can open the scripts. Okay, save test plan as done. Save selection as save as a test fragment. So these two I will tell you in the coming sessions, not now. ఇప్పుడు చెప్తే మీకు అర్థం అవ్వదు. సో యూ కెన్ ఇగ్నోర్ దీస్ టూ థింగ్స్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ. సో గోయింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐఎమ్ డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ ద టెస్ట్ ఫ్రాగ్మెంట్, సో అట్ ద టైమ్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ అబౌట్ దీస్ టూ. సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్, రివర్ట్ చేంజెస్. ఇఫ్ యూ డన్ ఎనీ చేంజెస్, ఓకే, సో నేను ఏదైనా చేంజెస్ చేశాను, నాకు చేంజెస్ వద్దు, ఐ వాంట్ రివర్ట్ ఇట్ బ్యాక్. సో యూ కెన్ రివర్ట్ ఇట్ బ్యాక్, బట్ వితౌట్ సేవింగ్ ఇట్. నువ్వు సేవ్ చేసావు అంటే రివర్ట్ అవ్వదు. సేవ్ చేయకుండా అయితే యూ కెన్ రివర్ట్ ద చేంజెస్ అండ్ ఆల్. సో వీ డు నాట్ యూజ్ దట్ ఇన్ ద రియల్ టైమ్ అండ్ ఆల్. You can ignore it. And coming to restart, so whenever you have clicked on the restart button, so Jmeter automatically it will close and it will restart again. Okay, so మనం ఏదైనా మన మొబైల్ని రీస్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు రీస్టార్ట్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే దాని దగ్గర రీబూట్ అయ్యి సో మీకు మామూలుగా హోమ్ పేజ్ ఎలా వస్తుందో, లైక్ సిమిలర్లీ, సో వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ బీన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద రీస్టార్ట్, సో Jmeter it will close automatically and it will restart again. Okay, so I think it is you can see here, so Jmeter is restarted again. Okay, so Jmeter is restarted. So you can use this button, restart button, to restart your Jmeter. If you want to close the Jmeter, you can click on the exit button. Here you can see exit future. You can click on that exit, or else you can close this one. Okay, so Jmeter ni close cheyalante, so you can close this one. Okay, into mark is there, right? So you can click on that, or else go to file and click on the exit. So anything is fine. So that is about file. So what and all features we have and all. So this is the new shortcut. Okay, so in that one we have discussed about the new, right? So that is the shortcut. This is the new shortcut. Let me show you. Okay, so I have opened the merge script here. So merge script అనేది నేను ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నాను ఇప్పుడు. సో see, merge script ఇక్కడ ఉంది. I want to, so I want to open the new script now. I want new workspace now. Okay. So ఎలా చేయొచ్చు, you can go to file and you can click on the new. So you can do that, or else, so this is the shortcut new. You can see new is the shortcut. Click on the shortcut. So you can get the new workspace. And this is the shortcut for the template. Okay. If you click on this, so you can get the templates. And after the templates you can see folder icon. So if you want to open any Jmeter script, you can go here and you can open the Jmeter script. See, so ఇంతకుముందు ఏం చెప్పాను, go to file and here you have open, and you can click on that and you can see the pop-up window and select any one of the script and click on open. So like that you can open it, or else click on this folder icon. You can see pop-up window is appeared over here, and choose your file and click on open. So like that you can open it. And this one shortcut to save your file. Okay, మీ ఫైల్ని ఏమైనా సేవ్ చేయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు you can click on the save icon. You can see, so here you can give the name. Okay, so you can give the name and you can click on the save. That's all. So the file will be saved. Okay, this is the save icon. And coming to edit, you can see here add, paste option, something and all. You can see, go to add. So here you can see too many elements we have, like threads, config element, listener, timer, preprocessor, postprocessor, and all. So we need to discuss about each and every element here. So those and all are very very important for us. Okay, going forward from tomorrow onwards, I am going to explain this each and every element. So what is the test plan, what is the thread group, what is the preprocessor, postprocessor. So everything I will explain from tomorrow. Okay, so I want to add the elements and all. I want to add this element, I want to add the element like a thread group. Okay, how I can add? So go to edit, so go to add, so go to threads here and you can click on this thread group. You can see I have added the thread group. Okay, so why thread group and also tomorrow I will tell you, you no need to worry. Okay, so like this, whatever the element if you want to add, so you need to go to edit and go to add, and here you can see many elements and all. So you can add any one element. Okay, so you can add the elements like this. Okay, you can add the elements based on your requirement and all. Okay, సో ఇలాగ మనం యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఫర్ దట్ సో మీరు ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ యాడ్ చేయాలనుకుంటే ఆ ఎలిమెంట్కి, సో యూ నీడ్ టు గో టు ఎడిట్ అండ్ యూ క్యాన్ గో టు యాడ్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఓకే, సో బట్ జనరల్లీ ఇన్ ద రియల్ టైమ్ వీ do not follow that process. So just right click on the test plan, so you can see whatever the options you are able to see here, right? So add, paste to, open, merge, save, selection, disable, toggle and all. So all the options you can see whenever you have right clicked on the test plan, you can see. Okay, so therefore you can use right click option. Okay, so right click on the test plan, you can see the options and all. So whatever if you want to add, so you can add those things right like this. So right click on the test plan, so you can add like this. Okay, so this is the generic process which we will follow in the real time. Okay, so go to edit and forget about this add. So from tomorrow onwards I am going to explain these many things and all. And coming to paste, so here control C, control V, control X, those and all it will work. Okay, so let us assume, so I am adding one thread group. I want to add one more thread group. So inko thread group కావాలన్నప్పుడు right, go to right test plan, right click on that, mouse over onto the add. Here you can see thread group and you can add like this. Okay, so but ఇలా కాకుండా I want to add two more thread groups. So do control C, రెండింటిని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి, go to test plan and do control V. You can see two groups added here. So go to test plan again, do control V again. You can see two more groups added. So like that, so you can use control V and control C. వీటన్నిటిని delete చేయాలి from here. Okay, so do control X. Here you have cut symbol, right? Click on that cut, control X. That's all. You can see. So all the thread groups have been deleted from here. Okay, so delete అయిపోయినాయి. So ఇలాగ మీరు, so you can use control C or control V or control X. So let me use control V right now. Okay, you can see ఇందాక కట్ చేశాను, సో దాన్ని మళ్ళీ పేస్ట్ చేస్తాను, రైట్? సో ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ కట్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. ఓకే, త్రీ thread groups I am cutting from here, I am deleting from here. You can see we deleted. Okay, so do click on this paste. You can see three more added. So like this, if you want to add, you can add. If you want to delete, and control X. Okay, so you can use those and you can do. So these are all the shortcuts: control X, control C, control. Okay, and yeah, paste it ఇప్పుడు దాకా అదే చెప్తున్నాను. If you want to open any file, so you can click on the open and you can open the file. Already we have seen that one, right? Already మనం ఇంతకుముందు డిస్కస్ చేసాం ఇక్కడ open. So the same thing you can see here: open, merge, save selection as, and all. Okay, save node as a image. Okay, this is like screenshot. So if you wanna take the screenshot of this particular element, test plan, ఇక్కడ మీకు టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ అని కనపడతా ఉంది, రైట్? సో ఇక్కడ టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ అని కనపడతా ఉంది ఇక్కడ రైట్ సైడ్లో. I want to take the screenshot of this test plan and all. So ఇక్కడ మనకి run thread groups, run tear down, functional test mode ఇలాగ ఆప్షన్స్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి కదా. I want to take the screenshot of this particular thing. So how I can take the screenshot? So you can go to edit and you can click on the save node as an image. That's all. Okay, it will ask you to wait to save. I am saving that in the October batch, so as a test plan. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, test plan, click on the save. That's all. Go and check it out. Okay, you can take the just screenshot. That's all. October batch, and here you can see testplan.jpg or png. You can see just it is taken the screenshot of the test plan. మీరు చూడొచ్చు ఇక్కడ టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ రైట్ సైడ్లో ఏమైతే ఉందో మనకి. సో జస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ ద స్క్రీన్షాట్ and it is saved. Okay, so like this, so you can use save this one, save node as a image you can use if you want to take the complete screenshot. Okay, so మొత్తం ఈ టూల్కి సంబంధించింది మొత్తం నేను స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసుకోవాలి, నాకు ఇలా రైట్ సైడ్లో ఉన్న టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ ఒకటే కాదు, I want to take the screenshot entire thing. So then you can go to edit and you can click on the save screen as a image. Okay, so give something else name, test plan 1, just save it. So go here and see now. Okay, so testplan.png. Now you can see so total screen is captured as an image. Okay, so like that you can take the snapshots, you can take the captures, screen captures, you can take it out. See, ఇంతకుముందు మనకి టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ అని మాత్రమే ఉంది. You can see టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ అని మాత్రమే మనం క్యాప్చర్ చేసుకున్నాం. సో తర్వాత ఏం చేసాం, సో we have taken the entire screen. So like that, so you can use these two options to capture the screenshots. Okay, save node as a image, save screen as a image, and you can see here enable and disable. Okay, so I don't want to execute some of the elements sometimes. కొన్నిసార్లు మనం కొన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాము, కొన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయము. డోంట్ బి కన్ఫ్యూజ్, ట్రై టు రిమెంబర్. ఓకే, sometimes I want to execute a few elements, sometimes I do not execute few elements. ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలా అన్నప్పుడు యూ నీడ్ టు మేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఏ ఎనేబుల్ లైక్ దిస్. అన్నీ మనకు కనపడుతున్నాయి చూడండి నీట్గా. సో ఇలాగా హైలైట్లో ఉండాలి. సపోజ్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ దీస్ టూ థ్రెడ్ గ్రూప్స్ రైట్ అవే. ఓకే, ఈ రెండు నేను ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయకూడదు. గో టు ఎడిట్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ సీ హియర్ డిసేబుల్. క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద డిసేబుల్, దట్స్ ఆల్. యూ కెన్ సీ సో దోస్ థ్రెడ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఆర్ డిసేబుల్డ్ హియర్. ఇది చూడండి, మిగతా 4 హైలైట్లో ఉన్నాయి, ఇవి 2 మనకి డిసేబుల్లో ఉన్నాయి, హైలైట్ అవ్వలేదు. యూ కెన్ సీ. సో వాట్ ఇట్ మీన్, so Jmeter, it will consider these two as hidden objects or hidden elements. So these two cannot be executed by Jmeter. So I can enable again these two. So how I can enable? Okay, so go to edit and you can see here enable. Click on the enable. So that's all. You can see now all the elements are enabled now. So like this you can enable or you can disable. Instead of using enable and disable two options, you can use toggle. Okay, so direct ga manam toggle ne vaadachu. So now I want to disable these two thread groups. So go to edit and click on the toggle. Okay, you can see so those two are hidden. Go to edit again, so click on the toggle. You can see those two are enabled now. So like that, so enable and disable those two can be replaced by toggle feature. Okay, so this is the toggle symbol. You can see here, so pin icons laga unnai ikkada. So this is the toggle shortcut. Okay, so click on this thread groups and you can see toggle. Click on this toggle, you can see those two are hidden. Click on again toggle, you can see thread groups are enabled. So like this you can enable and you can disable using toggle shortcut. Okay, remember that one. That's all. And help. see here. If you click on the help, you will be redirected to the Jmeter website and you can get some help from there. You can get some information from this Apache Jmeter website. See. Okay, so help ane button మీద మనం click చేయగానే go here and click on the help. Okay, you can see one page is opening here in the browser. Okay, so we are going to connect apache jmeter.org. You can see, so this is the the help page. So here you can go and you can get some information from here. Okay, if you want you can try. Okay, so go and click on the help, that's all. So it will be connected to the Jmeter website. Okay, so next one, search. I want to search for something in the Jmeter script. Script లో నేను ఏదైనా వెతకాలి. సో వెతకాలి అన్నప్పుడు so I need to use the search method. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, too many requests we have. See, చూడండి ఎంత పెద్దది ఉందో. Okay. So here you can see too many requests and all. సో ప్రతి ఒక్క రిక్వెస్ట్లో నేను ఏదైనా ఒక సంథింగ్ ఏదైనా ఒక వర్డ్ ఉందా లేదా అని వెతకాలి అంటే మాన్యువల్లీ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ సర్చింగ్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ మోర్ టైమ్ టు వెరిఫై వెదర్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ టెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ దట్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఉందా లేదా అని చెక్ చేయాలంటే చాలా టైం పడుతుంది. సో దేర్ఫోర్ వాట్ వీ కెన్ డూ, సో వీ కెన్ యూజ్ సెర్చ్ టెక్నిక్. గో టు సెర్చ్ అండ్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద సెర్చ్ అండ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద సెర్చ్ యూ ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్, సో జస్ట్ టైప్ దట్ సెర్చ్ హియర్. సో దేనికోసం వెతుకుదాము, లెట్ us assume లాంచ్. ఓకే, సో లాంచ్ అనేది మనకి ఉందా లేదా. లెట్ మీ టైప్ లాంచ్ హియర్, LAUNCH. ఓకే, సో ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటన్ లాంచ్ హియర్. ఓకే, సో క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద సెర్చ్ ఆల్. ఓకే, సో నౌ సీ లాంచ్ అనేది ఉందా లేదా. సీ హియర్, సో బాక్స్ ఈస్ హైలైటెడ్ ఇన్ రెడ్ ఇన్ కలర్. వాట్ ఇట్ మీన్, సో లాంచ్ ఈస్ present in this particular box. So like that, so you can see here. So one more box is highlighted here. You can see red in color. So what it mean, so whatever the text you are searching for, so that text is present here. You can see red color box again here. So whatever the text you are looking for, that is present over here. So like this, so you can use the search technique. Okay, so using search technique what you can do, so you can verify, so either a particular text is present in the script or not. ఎక్కడైనా సరే ఉందా లేదా అని మనం వెతకాలి అన్నప్పుడు, సో యూ కెన్ గో టు సెర్చ్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ సెర్చ్ ఫర్ దట్. యూ కెన్ గో టు సెర్చ్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ సెర్చ్ ఫర్ దట్. ఓకే, సెర్చ్ చేసాము ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, ఈ బాక్సెస్ అన్ని నాకు ఇలా వద్దు. ఐ వాంట్ క్లియర్ ద బాక్సెస్. ఇక్కడ బాక్సెస్ కనపడుతున్నాయి కదా, ఐ వాంట్ క్లియర్ ద బాక్సెస్ అంటారు. గో టు సెర్చ్ అండ్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద రీసెట్ సెర్చ్, దట్స్ ఆల్. ఓకే, వన్ మోర్ బాక్స్ యూ కెన్ సీ హియర్. సో గో ఆన్ click on the search and click on the reset search. You can see boxes are cleared from here, right? So that is how you can use search and reset search, and these two are the shortcuts. You can see binocular symbol, click on that one. So if you click on this particular symbol, you can see search tree. Okay, so let me go with sign in అనేది ఉందా లేదా సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను. click on the search all. You can see sign in is present. Okay, so ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉన్నాయో, ఎక్కడెక్కడ బాక్సెస్ ఉన్నాయో మనకి, there you can go and you can see here sign in we have. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి థ్రెడ్ గ్రూప్ హైలైట్ అయింది. ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మీరు హైలైట్ అయింది, రైట్? సో మనకి రెడ్ కలర్ బాక్స్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో అక్కడ సైన్ ఇన్ ఉన్నట్టు. ఓకే, సో హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ ద సైన్ ఇన్. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ కూడా సైన్ ఇన్ ఉంది, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ హైలైటెడ్. సో హియర్ ఐ హ్యావ్ చెక్ దిస్ కేస్ సెన్సిటివ్. కేస్ సెన్సిటివ్ మీన్స్ నేను ఇక్కడ టీఎం టైప్ చేశానో అదే ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా ఉండాలి అని అర్థం. లెట్ మీ రిమూవ్ దిస్ కేస్ సెన్సిటివ్ రైట్ నౌ అండ్ లెట్ మీ సీ. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, కేస్ సెన్సిటివ్ తీసేసాను. ఐ హ్యావ్ టైప్డ్ సైన్ ఇన్ అండ్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద సెర్చ్ ఆల్. ఓకే, సో నౌ యూ కెన్ సీ two boxes are highlighted here. Click on the first box. You can see here also we have sign in, here we have sign in, and click here also you have sign in and sign in. Okay, so like this. సో కేస్ సెన్సిటివ్ అని మీరు చెక్ బాక్స్ పెట్టారు అంటే యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మీరు ఏం టైప్ చేశారో అదే ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఇన్లో మీరు చూసే ఎస్ ఇస్ ద క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్, రైట్? బట్ ఇక్కడ సర్చింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీరు ఎస్ ఇస్ ద స్మాల్ లెటర్, లోయర్ కేస్ లెటర్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మీరు కేస్ సెన్సిటివ్ తీసేస్తే అక్కడ మనకి మ్యాచ్ అవ్వదు. సో ఓకే, సో కేస్ సెన్సిటివ్ పెట్టినారంటే కరెక్ట్గా ఇక్కడ ఏముండదో ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే ఉండాలి. ఓకే, లైక్ దట్ యూ కెన్ యూస్ ట్రీ, సెర్చ్ ట్రీ. ఐ వాంట్ క్లియర్ దిస్ బాక్సెస్ అండ్ ఆల్. బాక్సెస్ ఇలాగ నాకు రాకూడదు అనుకుంటే యూ కెన్ గో అండ్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్ రీసెట్ సెర్చ్. క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్, దట్స్ ఆల్. Okay, you can see the boxes are clear from there. So like that you can use search and reset search, and go to run tab. Okay, why we need to use this run means, so we need to reply your Jmeter script మీరు రికార్డ్ చేశారు, రికార్డ్ చేసిన దాన్ని రిప్లై చేయాలి సో మీరు మీ మొబైల్ ఫోన్ వాడుతూ ఉంటారు. సో యూజింగ్ దట్ మొబైల్ ఫోన్ వాట్ యూ కెన్ డూ, యూ కెన్ రికార్డ్ రైట్, యూ కెన్ రికార్డ్ ద వీడియో రికార్డ్ చేసిన దాన్ని రిప్లై చేయాలంటే so there will be a play button, right? You need to click on the play button, then only the video it will play. Like similarly here also you have the play button. So where is that? Go to run, here you can see start button. Okay, so if you click on that start button, so Jmeter it will start the execution, it will start the testing. Okay, so execution only start avutundi. Okay, so that is the this is the shortcut run button. You can see play button, so this is the play button. If you want to run the Jmeter script, or if you want to execute the Jmeter script, you can go and click on the start button. Okay, or else go to run and click on the start button. Okay, anything is fine. Start no process, going forward you will come to know. So right now you can ignore. So whenever you have been clicked on the run button, so you can see the test it is started. So that's why you can see start button is disabled now and stop button is enabled. So if you click on the stop button, the test it will stop. You can see again start button is enabled and stop button is disabled. So here also you can see start button is enabled, stop button is disabled. Click on the start button, so you can see start button is disabled and stop button is enabled. Click on the stop button, the test is stopped over there, and you can see start button is enabled and stop is disabled right now. Okay, so here also you can see the same behavior. Click on the start button. Okay, so here you can see start button is disabled. Okay, stop button is enabled. Click on the stop button, the test will be stopped. So right now you can see start button is enabled and stop is disabled. Okay, and coming to remote and all, going forward you will come to know. Right now you can remember this one. You just remember, try to remember. Remote options also will be there like that, but going forward I will tell you about this remote features and all. Okay, so clear and clear all. So why we need to use this clear and clear all means, whenever you are executing any Jmeter script and all, so you can get the logs, right? So you can get the logs. See, this is the log. Okay, I want to clear these logs. See, let me show you. So just click on the play button. You can see you can get the logs and all. See, the logs are coming here. Okay, so I want to clear these logs. So if you want to clear the logs and all, so what you can do, so you can go and click on the clear. So go to run and click on the clear, so you can clear the logs. Okay, let me stop the testing execution. You can see there is a log here, right? I want to clear the log. Go to run and click on the clear. You can see the log is cleared from here. So like that, if you want to clear the log, so then go to run tab, and here we have clear. Click on the clear. So these two are the shortcuts, clear and clear all. So when we will use clear and when we will use the clear all, so going forward you will come to know. Just try to remember, using clear and clear all, you can clear the data from the logs. Okay, so you can clear the data and all. So these two are the shortcuts. Okay, so that is about run tab. So next, go to options. So in the options you can see look and feel. So look and feel is nothing but the theme. Okay, you can set your own theme. Okay, మీరు నిన్న Jmeter ఓపెన్ చేసాము, నిన్న వేరే థీమ్ వచ్చింది, బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ అంతా సంథింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్లో వచ్చింది. నౌ యూ కెన్ సీ సమ్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్. So however you are setting the theme in your mobile phone, like similarly you can set the theme to the Jmeter. So go to option and tool, go to this one, look and feel. Here you can choose the themes. These are the themes. If I click on the metal, you can see the theme, it will change at the back end. See, it is asking us to exit Jmeter. No. Okay, see, the theme has been changed at the back end. Go to option, go to look and feel. Let me go with dark IntelliJ. Okay, see, I am going to set different theme right now. See, okay, so like this, if you want to change the themes and all, you can change it. Okay, so different themes are available here. So even dark also we have, I think. See, so like this you can set the themes and all. So I am using Nimbus, so I am comfortable with that. I am going with Nimbus. Okay, so like this you can change the themes and all. Okay, going with look and feel. Next one, log viewer. So if you want to enable the logs and all, okay, so if you can come here and you can enable the log. Okay, so ఎట్లా చూడాలా లాగ్స్ మనము అంటే, let me show you. Let me open any one of the script and let me show you. See, just I'm going to click on the play button. You can see the test is started and you can see the logs and all here, right? So logs and all we can see. So ఇదే logs కాదు, back end ఏం జరుగుతా ఉంది. So each and everything we need to see. So therefore go to options and click on the log viewer. If you click on the log viewer, you can see here the logs you can see, right? So just drag it and you can see here ఏ టైంకి ఏమేం జరిగింది. So that kind of details and all you can check it out. How you can see the logs and all, go to options and click on the log viewer. So go to option, click on the log viewer, you just drag it to the top so that you can see the logs and all. Okay, if you want to clear the log, go and click on this clear all. See, log is cleared from here. Click on the play button, you can see the logs can be printed over here. See, the logs are printing. Okay, so like this you can see the logs. Okay, so logs manamu ilaga చూడొచ్చు. And this is the shortcut of the logs. You can see triangle icon. So this is the shortcut of the log. If you click on this one, you can see the logs. Just drag it and see the log. Okay, click on the triangle button again, triangle symbol again. You can see the logs are closer from here. If you want to see the logs, click on this one and just drag it. That's all. Okay, so this is the shortcut. Ledante you can go to options and click on the log viewer. So you can see the logs and just drag it. Okay, again go to options and click on the log viewer. The logs can be disappeared from here. So like this, so you can see the logs and all, right? So me logs lo chuste, so there are too many types of logs will be there. Okay, info level log, error level log, warning level log, like that many log level will be there. So you can enable that level as well. How we can enable? So go to options and here you can see log level. So here you can see you can switch off the logs. So you can set the error level, warning level, info level, debug level, trace level, like that. Many logs are there. If you want to set only warning level, then you can choose only warning. See log level I have chosen only warning level. Now clear your data. So just click on this. Okay. So now see whether you can get the logs or not. See the test is running and all, but we can't see anything here. So we are not seeing anything here. You can see. Okay, so we are not getting anything. So manaki logs anete ravatledu ikkada. So why? Because I have enabled only warning level logs, so we are not getting any warnings and all. So that's why we are not seeing any logs and all here. See, so ikkada meek test anedi execute avutundi. So even though the test is executing, see, so you are not getting any log here. So why? Because so you have enabled only warning level logs. So here we have not received any warning level log. So that's why, so there is no log is populated here. So log అనేది మనకి లేదు ఇక్కడ. See, warning అనేది ఒకటే ఉంది ఇక్కడ. Warning ఒకటే మాత్రమే మనకి వచ్చింది. So అదే మనము let me clear all the data. Okay, so let's see now. So let me go to options, go to log level and enable info level right now. So I have enabled info level. So go to option and see info level I have been enabled. So now click on this one. Okay, so log, click on the play button, you can see. Okay, so we can see info level log. Okay, so like this, so based on your requirement you can enable the log level here. You can enable info level, you can enable warning level, you can enable error level. So like that, so based on your requirement you can enable the logs and all from here. Okay, so SSL manager means like whenever you are working with high secured applications, so at the time you need to install the certificate in your missions. So going forward I will show you. So right now just remember this option, SSL manager, that's all. Coming to choose language, here you can see many languages we have. So Jmeter it will support this many languages and all. Okay, so English, French, German, even this support చేస్తుంది. So we are comfortable with English, so therefore we are going with English. So next one, collapse all, expand all. Okay, so why we need to use this collapse all? The collapse all ante ఏమవుతుంది అంటే, you can see in the test plan we have the thread group. In the thread group we have the request, like that many things will be there, right? So if I go to the option here, and if I click on the collapse all the elements will be hidden inside of the test plan. So test plan localకి వెళ్ళిపోయాయి. Double click on the test plan, you can see thread group. Double click on the thread group, you can see the elements. See, all the elements are hidden inside of a test plan. Go to options and click on the collapse all. You can see all the elements are hidden inside of the test plan. Now I want to see what and all elements are present in the test plan. So go to options and click on the expand all. You can see all the elements are expanded. So like that. So using expand all or collapse all. Okay, so you can collapse all, using collapse all you can, all the elements can be collapsed to the test plan. So using, expand all, so you can expand all the elements which are hidden inside of the test plan. So ilaga use చేసుకోవచ్చు. And plus and minus you can see here, these two are expand all, collapse all. So minus is collapse all and plus is expand all, right? You can see shortcuts, collapse all, expand all, these two are the shortcuts. Okay, and zoom in and zoom out. So if you want to zoom this particular text, ఇక్కడ టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ అని ఉంది, ఇవి చిన్నగా ఉన్నాయి, సో వీటిని మీరు జూమ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో యూ కెన్ జూమ్ ఇట్. గో టు ఆప్షన్స్ అండ్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద జూమ్ ఇన్. యూ కెన్ సీ టెక్స్ట్ సైజ్ ఇట్ విల్ ఇంక్రీజ్. See, చూడండి. Okay, so you can increase the text size like this. Okay, if you want to decrease, you can decrease by clicking on zoom out. Okay, so like that you can use. And save automatically before run. So if you check this checkbox, so automatically Jmeter what it will do, it will save your test plan. Okay, test plan save చేసుకుంటుంది. That's all, అంత మించి ఇంకేం లేదు. Okay, so plugin manager మీకు ఉండదు. So going forward I will tell you about that. Okay, and coming to tools, create heap dump, thread dump, leave it, function helper dialog. This is important. Okay, so going forward we are going to use the functions and all, like many functions we have in the Jmeter, so we will use this function. Okay, so whenever you are using the function and all, so for the function help, so you can go to the tools and you can search for that function here in the function helper dialog. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏదైనా ఫంక్షన్ గురించి మీరు వెతుక్కోవచ్చు. So try to remember this. This is also important. Going forward I will explain you. Okay, so generate HTML report. So this is also very important. So once we test అయిపోయిన తర్వాత you need to generate the HTML report. So to generate the HTML report, so this option we will use in the Jmeter. So just try to remember this. So going forward I will show you how you can use this particular option to generate HTML report and all. And next one, compile JSR 223 test elements and all. See, if you are having the basic knowledge on the coding part and all, like C, C++, Java or Python and all. So whenever you have been written the coding and all, so you need to compile your code. So you need to check it out whether is there any some mistakes are there in that particular code or not. So for that what we will do, so we will compile it. So like that, similarly here whenever you are using JSR 223, so JSR 223 is nothing but that is one of the language, JavaScript 223. So that is the one of the language. If you are using that kind of code and all, so using this particular element, so what you can do, so you can compile your the script and all. So make work అవుతుందా లేదా అని మీరు వెతుక్కోవచ్చు. Okay, so this remaining options and all we do not use it, so you can ignore it. So mainly here you need to remember function helper and generate HTML report. So these two you should remember. Remaining and all you can ignore it, not an issue. And coming to help, so if you want to seek any help from the Jmeter people, Jmeter website, so you go to this particular help dialog and click on the help, that's all. So you will be redirected to you will be connected to the Jmeter website. You can see Jmeter website we have been connected and you can get some information from here. So that's all. And the mention in game. So what is this node enable debug? So these are all not required. Okay, so coming to about Jmeter and all, if you click on that one, so you can see the Jmeter details. So which Jmeter you are using, which Jmeter version you are using, so those details and all you can use. And so this help we do not use in the real time and all, you can ignore it. Okay. Yeah, so coming to under the help you can see, so even these shortcuts already I told you. So this is the new shortcut. If you want to open the new test plan, go and click on the new, that's all. Okay, so you can see a new workspace, right? So if you click on the new, you can get the new workspace, and this is the template icon, template shortcuts. If you click on that, you can see, you can access the templates. So this is the open folder. Okay, if you want to open any one of the Jmeter script, So you can click on this open folder and you can open that particular script. And this is save, this is control X cut, control C copy, control V paste, expand all, collapse all, toggle shortcut, play button, okay, then stop button, clear all, search, reset search, help, function help and help. Okay, so these are all the features we have in the Jmeter. So going forward, so we are going to enter into the the main topics. So from tomorrow onwards, so you need to practice regularly. Okay, so this is only basic thing, right? So what and all features will be there in the Jmeter and all. So these are all the basics only. So I have to educate you. Okay, so by telling the futures and all, ఏమేం future ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది. Okay, so you should know about that before going to practice about the Jmeter and all. So that's why I have explained you about the futures and all. Okay, so try to see these futures and all. File lo ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి, edit lo ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి, search lo ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి, like that. So just have a look into the futures and all. Okay, that's all about the futures and all. Okay, so I am stopping here for the day. So tomorrow we'll see about so test plan. So we'll start so from here the main course it will start. Okay, so ante ippudu daaka avvaledani kaadu. So PTLC whatever we have been discussed about theory and all, so that is important. So I mean what I am trying to say here, the practical session starts from here. Okay, that's all. I am stopping here for the day. So anything from your end, so you can ask me now.